everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in today to do a Easter One Sheet Wonder. So this is a paper from Mintay, and I can't remember the name of the range, but it's a springtime range and has beautiful bunnies and things like that, like little baskets of eggs. And so this is one of the sheets. It has these beautiful flowers on, and it just reminds me of spring and Easter, even though here in Australia we are in autumn. Hence the jumper that you can see that I'm wearing, because it's starting to get a bit chillier here. So I'm just drawing out some score lines on this piece of paper. So we have 6 inches and then a 3/8 of an inch, and I've done that on either side because we're just going to flip the paper around to make it easier. So these measurements are not perfect, they're just basically mirror measurements. So we have the first score, which is the 6 inches. So, and then I'm going to do the 3/8 of an inch on this side, and then I'm going to flip the paper around and do the 3/8 on the other side. So it's just basically mirror scoring. So this is a one sheet wonder that I made for a flat mail Easter swap. The swap was on my Facebook group, which is the Happy Mailers Facebook group, and my partner was Celine. I sent to Celine, and she's up in Queensland. So she's already received this, so I get to share this with you on the Easter holidays. Now, so I've turned the paper around, I'm scoring at 3 inches, flipping the paper again and scoring at 3 inches again. So I will write that down on that little tiny piece of paper on the other side to give you an idea of, because at the moment you can't see my score lines, so I'll write it down on that little tiny piece of paper so you can see what the scores actually look like. So just getting rid of my scoreboard there and bringing in the piece of paper so I can write 3 and 3. So it's basically flipping that paper around, just making sure that if you have a directional paper, that the direction is basically the way that I've got the paper showing here, with the 6 inches in that fold in the middle of your directional paper. So that's a vertical fold, and then those 3 inches are horizontal folds. Okay, so I am taking an extremely long time here to make sure that the edges are together when I fold that 6 inch fold, so that it is actually exactly half of the paper. Just this helps when it comes to your flip book. It means that you don't have to chop anything away, which is my usual having to do because I've not folded it perfectly. So yeah, so I absolutely love this piece of paper, and I wanted to use it for this Easter swap. But it's also another one of those things where Vivian was saying to use your favourite papers. So this is definitely one of my favourites, so I wanted to use it. Also, Celine's favourite colour is this colour on the inside. We've got like it's sort of a turquoisey blue, so I was hoping that she'd enjoy that. So now that I have that folded, I'm actually going to be bringing in the scissors because we are going to be cutting away some of our paper. So we're going to firstly start with cutting away the corners of the paper where we have the 3/8 of an inch, and we're going up to that 3 inch mark. So we're gonna just slice that little tiny corner away. So going up to the 3-inch line, and we're going to do that on all 4 corners. So it's actually the Easter weekend as I'm doing this voiceover, so it is Saturday morning. No, is it Saturday morning? No, it's Sunday morning. Hang on, I'm already losing track of the days. So yes, it's Sunday morning now, so it's Easter Sunday here, and so hopefully you'll be able to watch this on Easter Sunday. And I plan to go out in the garden this morning. I've got lots of seeds that have arrived this week, and they're seeds that you actually have to put directly into the ground. You can't just propagate them in trays. Oh, by the way, actually, if you see with my cutting out, I'm actually doing a diagonal by the 3-inch line. I'm not actually cutting straight, so it makes more of a flap. Good old flap talk, love it. So now that I've managed to do all of the 4 corners, we'll move on to the next lot of folding and cutting. So I'm going to turn the paper over so that you can see where the next section I'm going to cut is. I bring in my ruler and my pencil so that I can actually show you what to do. We will be, I just need to trim up that corner there. So we will be using our pencil to mark out the next cut, because it's something that I wouldn't freehand. So you might want to bring in a pencil and a ruler. So I'm going to fold up that 3-inch fold there so that I have the point where we're going to be marking to. So you can now see the middle point there, and we're going to take the ruler and we're going to go down to the right hand corner, and then the same with that side. We're going to take it from the middle and go down to the corner. So that section's going to get cut out. Once again, I'm going to fold this so that I get a very clear vision of where I'm going to be drawing from. So that's our middle point down to the corner, and once again on that side. So yeah, sorry, I'll go back to my story. As I was saying, I got loads of seeds this week, so I plan to go out in the garden and do some seeds. We have had some weeds coming up in the grass. They're little tiny ones, but I'm going to go out and try and pick out the weeds quickly before they turn into full-blown dandelions. I think that they are probably dandelions, because of the shape of their leaves, but I'm just going to try and quickly grab them out before they actually turn into anything big. And I think that's my plan, is to try and manage my garden on a weekly basis to make sure that it doesn't turn into what we had before, which was basically weed grass. So this is how your flip book should look. And I'm just folding those sections in, and then I'm folding in the side flaps here, and then I will place it together. Oh, I'm looking at the front and the back because I don't know what side I'm going to be using as my front and back, because as you can see, my paper's not directional. So that is how we are going to glue our flip book, so that it just creates these beautiful side pockets. And I love the fact that it's just a one sheet wonder. It's not like you're having to take 2 envelopes to put them together for something that's a very similar look. Now, I am taking my double-sided tape and I'm using it on the triangular flaps, not the straight one, because when you put the triangular flaps down, you'll see a gap. You'll see a little tiny gap. So don't ever do it on the rectangular flap, because you'll then get double-sided tape that is not covered. Basically, you'll get it showing. So always do the triangular flaps to stick this one down. So I love the way this turned out for Celine. I was really happy with it. I spent some time making sure that there were some Easter goodies, or what looked like Easter goodies going in, like little bunnies and things like that. So, and I found, you'll see in a minute, I think I'll show you, it's like a paper plate. I found this set of paper plates that had this beautiful image of some bunnies on, and so that is what goes on my front cover. There we go. So it was actually a paper plate, and so I cut all the way around the bunnies and I put them on. So it says Hello Easter, and that Hello Easter I got from Daphne's Diary. I cut it out of Daphne's Diary, and the same with this one down here in the left hand corner, Happy Easter. So I really enjoyed making this for Celine. We've got some stickers, bunny stickers. Oh, and I did my seal stickers that you would have seen the other day in the video. So I put those in here for her. I've got some lovely washies. I've got some beautiful wax seals and my letter just on the right hand side. So I hope you guys like this. If you could give me a thumbs up and a comment, let me know what you're doing this Easter. I'm headed out in the garden today, so I'm very excited. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And just to let you know, at the end of this video, I have a secret wreath making video for you. So it's just going to have some music. You can stop here if you don't want to watch it. And it's just something else that I sent to Celine for her own the Easter swap. So it means that she can hang it up in her house somewhere. So that's my letter, and that's Emma Loves Pink Stationery's letter paper. So all good. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me for this one. I hope everyone is well and safe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.